All right, guys, so after my transmission blew up, this is where I'm at. I haven't had any time to record anything. I've been extremely busy. If anyone has watched any of my videos, I apologize. I haven't posted anything. This is where I'm at with it. My transmission was taking like forever to show up. It took like 3 weeks. I call that forever. I'm impatient. It took like 3 weeks to show up. So in the meantime, we picked up a heat press and a vinyl cutter and stuff like that, a printer. We kind of set up our little station here. We started making like t-shirts for companies and like car groups and stuff like that. So that's what we've been doing. And also our own t-shirts, because I have a business. It's called Easy Party Rentals down in Portland. So I started making t-shirts and stuff like that. Man, it's been really, really hectic. It's been crazy. Been a couple companies that want me to make some shirts for them and stuff like that. I don't know. Anyways, point is, here's where I'm at. I got a 40K trans cooler in my truck now. Got it not wired, but all hosed up and mounted up. It's fine. Got some steel braided lines to my transmission, as you can see. Figured why not. I did bypass the radiator because I didn't want to use it this time. I feel like it was kind of causing problems. So big old trans cooler, steel braided lines, and let's see where we're at down here. Okay, transfer case just got topped off. I replaced that gasket. I didn't replace any of these. I probably should have. Whatever, like I said, I'm impatient. I'll work on that if it starts to leak real bad. So there's my transmission. New torque converter, trans, my lines here. Like I said, I just wanted to finish this up ASAP. It is a rebuilt trans from Shift Right Transmissions. I ended up going with get up out of here first. I ended up going with a stage, what they call their stage 1 transmission. So I have the build list for it. It's got a Corvette servo, shift kit in it, and just a bunch of other stuff that's upgraded. I just wanted to go with something better simply because I tow a little bit, or I'm gonna be towing a little more, and I wanted to make sure my transmission can handle it. So I went with that, and like the 40K trans cooler here. My motor's only got like, I need to double check, but I think somewhere around like 5,000 miles, completely rebuilt, full rebuilt motor. Now I got a rebuilt trans. So hopefully this truck lasts me until, the rest of my life, I hope. God damn, because I'm like almost 10K into this fucking truck now. My motor, I think it was like upwards of like 4,500, 5,000, something like that. My transmission was 3,600 bucks. I had to buy that, not to mention the fluids and the lines and just random stuff that kind of comes along. And while I'm here, I'm replacing a bunch of fucking sensors, and I thought I replaced all my sensors, but I missed that one when I rebuilt the engine, so my temps were reading wrong. Also pick this up because why the hell not? Might as well keep an eye on my temperatures. I don't want to overheat again, because that's exactly what happened the first time. I don't want to overheat, so that's gonna go on my pillar right there, and I'm gonna be able to keep an eye on my trans temps. That's all I've got for you guys, I guess, as an update. I'm gonna continue recording while I finish this up. I just put fluid in my transfer case. I topped off my transmission. I have a little bit of fluid left, but I'm gonna run it real quick. Well, I'm gonna install this first, and then I'm gonna run it. But yeah, that's where I'm at. It's, like I said, man, it's been very, very hectic. I can't wait to get this finished up, get this out of the damn way, that thing, park it, because I'm not driving it right now. I have so much work to do. I gotta finish up that X5. It's leaking coolant. My other X5, it's not here. I forgot I picked up the truck. My X5, it's leaking a little bit of oil. I need to do an oil change, but it's just been really busy, honestly. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this right here. I know I'm kind of ranting right now, but it's just, I feel like I haven't made a video in so freaking long. It just, I feel so bad. I wanted to record a lot more. It's a mess in here, don't judge me. That transmission, I mean, when I dumped it out, there's like chunks of shit that came out of the actual torque converter. So I cannot wait to take this apart. I've never rebuilt a transmission. I've never even taken one apart. So I've only replaced them, done clutches and shit like that, but I've never actually taken apart a trans. This is gonna be my first one, most likely. I'm gonna take this apart. Probably buy another one of these guys. Hopefully I find one with the blown transmission for cheap. Throw that in there and pray and hope that I rebuilt it right. I'm gonna go ahead and get started right here, and like I said, I'll record as I go. All right, guys, so it's all finished up now. Again, I didn't get to record a whole lot. I apologize for that, but she's done. And I've already put a few miles on this transmission. It's running really, really good. It actually feels a hell of a lot better, I'm not gonna lie. I can actually feel the power in it now. The shifts are amazing. I've actually towed something with it already. That is coming up in a different video, but I actually towed something with it already, and I mean, she did great. It was actually really cool. Let's see. So that's it. Temp gauge works great also. I love keeping an eye on the temperatures. Like when I'm towing, I just want to make sure that it's not overheating or anything. It's so cool to have this. I definitely want to have a different one. Maybe, I mean, I have an oil pressure gauge up here, but I'm not sure. I really like the look of it. It's super, like, it's not too much, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can just see it right there. It's really cool driving it just to kind of see it right there. It's nice and subtle. It's not too much, you know. But yeah, she's driving really, really good. I mean, I can post. I do have the parts that I used because I put a transmission cooler in it as well. So I have the parts, and I'm probably gonna run that through right now and show you guys at least the parts that I used. And then I'm gonna do a quick drive with it. But pretty much, I mean, that wraps up this video. Again, I do apologize, it's not all that great. I'm gonna do a lot better with my videos. I just got really caught up in some other stuff, and I kind of hit that stopping point when I stopped recording for this truck, and it made me feel like I wasn't able to post anymore. It was just kind of like a hurdle I had to go over because, again, I haven't recorded anything for the truck, so I was like, oh, my truck's done and I didn't record anything. What am I gonna do? Nothing, you know? So that's exactly what I did. I did nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna get a video of it driving and show you guys that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to this one because this one has a store. All right, guys, so right now I am actually in D, not overdrive. Drives real good. So that's 70. Yeah, she drives. I really like it. Super, super good. So issues that I was having with the transmission before, I guess before it completely went out, was shifting into second gear. It would like really kick like super hard. So that was pretty bad, and then it just kind of felt sluggish. Like anything like in a low gear, it would really hesitate to get going. And now it's like, I mean, I don't feel that at all. Like here, see, I'm gonna turn off. Just, you know, immediately picks up in speed. What do we have?
Oh, that was that.
That is a Mustang and then a Corvette behind it. Look at that. gonna give it a go. We'll see what it does. I didn't realize when I got on it, he immediately got on it too. He was on my ass. Yeah, man. So we're coming up, you know, close to the house now, and that is pretty much it for this drive. But I'm telling you, she drives super, super nice. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. And the trans cooler does really good at keeping the transmission cool also. So it overall was pretty successful, you know. I couldn't be any happier. Like I said, now that I got this video out of the way, I've got a lot more videos, not really a whole lot, but I've got a couple more things that I've recorded that I'm gonna be posting. Like we picked up a couple new cars. They're both kind of projects, but one of them is insane. A buddy of mine got a really good deal on it, and you guys are gonna see that. That thing is crazy. I can't wait to post that video. First, I'm gonna post the one of the new truck that I picked up, and then you know, kind of go over what I need to do to get it fixed. But we also picked up a flatbed trailer. I'm gonna post some videos on that because that was cool. When we got it, it was kind of shitty, but we painted it and stuff. It came out real good. So here we are. I'm going to show you guys what it does. Something light, you know. I mean, it's a truck after all. It's not supposed to be super quick. Alright guys, well, I'm home now, and that is it for this video. Please, you know, comment, like, subscribe, please. I want to get up there in the subscribers. It'd probably motivate me a lot more to post, but right now I think I have like 350 subscribers. It'd be kind of cool to have more, and some interactions too, you know, comments, hate on my truck, like my truck, whatever, you know, whatever makes you feel good. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna post a little bit more of when we picked up those two cars and that flatbed. Thank you guys for watching. You want to say bye, Papa? Bye. Have a good one, guys.